Hey guys, another Vlogmas like I promised. I am about to have myself a little brunch situation. And I'm wearing my beanie because I'm still cold from this morning. And then once I put this on, I have permanent lines on my forehead that last all day, so it's just gonna stay on for this entire video. I am having a vanilla bean scone, and honestly I just put the strawberries on my plate so that I would stop judging myself, and they look delicious actually. We are in complete cleaning house, Operation Clean House before the Christmas disaster hits us. Today, that's all I'm gonna do. I have to clean, declutter, organize, pick up. It's so bad. I like to think that I have, you know, I can do it all. I mean, you can, but you can't. You're not alone. Something's gotta give sometimes, and lately it's just been the house. And so that's what I am doing today. This morning I went to go make my coffee as usual, and my Nespresso machine would not turn on. Like, it acted like it had no power. And so I was like, is it my outlet? So I, you know, reset the outlet. I even moved the machine over here, tried a different outlet, nothing was working. And I went into full-on panic mode that I can't have coffee during this Christmas break, which would be horrible. Dramatic, I know. Anyway, it ended up finally working for me. I Googled how to troubleshoot it and tried that several different times, and it worked. And then it just brewed a second coffee. So also another thing that I want to do is write down my list of the things that I want to accomplish from now until Christmas, like even on Christmas Eve. Because if I don't write the list down, I'm not going to accomplish anything, and I'm going to be sad that like maybe I didn't have time to make cookies or do this homemade thing or like have this festive movie night with Sydney. I want to write down and be intentional about how I spend the next few days, especially, you know, with work and with motherhood and all of that. I want to do a movie night, and I want to bake cookies with Sydney maybe on Christmas Eve. So I have to buy ingredients for that. That's another thing. If I don't write it down, and if I think about it the day of, I might not have the ingredients and not want to go to the store and spend our days that way. So I have to write my ingredient list and make sure that I have everything for those. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is... Okay, first things first, we are gonna clear this table, wash that up. And then I just started a load of laundry. And so I have to fold this, do the floors, because I think the floors have like lots of glitter and dust and stuff on them. That's what we're dealing with. Oh, and also the playroom. So the playroom is also needing help. The other day, Sydney keeps begging me to go into storage and get her baby toys. It's like toy rotation. It works. Anyway, I have to go ahead and give this a little overhaul. It's falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it... This mirror was never intended on staying at this table for as long as it does, but sometimes I will use it to like put on fake lashes or pluck my eyebrows or whatever in daylight. And then Sydney realized that she could see the TV out of it too, like if she's sitting down for snack, lunch, whatever it is. And so it's just kind of like living on the table. I put it away but then Sydney will sometimes bring it back out. Anyway, that's the situation with that. And I'm thinking for the new year, I want to eventually find some sort of system for my work and not have my computer just always on my only table to eat. I don't know. Maybe eventually, not necessarily like now, figure out a system for that. No! My vacuum died. Okay, it wasn't meant to be. So I have to charge my vacuum and I don't want to fold the laundry just yet. So I'm going to tackle the playroom, which is bothering me the most. The laundry is always there, but I like to clean up the playroom when Sydney's in school. I keep knocking these over. So I clearly need to put them away and deal with this situation. And I am going to be throwing a lot of the trinkets away that are missing pieces or like baby things, and then making a little bin or bag for donation as well, for like stuffed animals and little, we just have a lot of like random pieces that don't belong.
Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
What started as a nightmare turned into therapy, because that was very satisfying.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me.
So it is not perfect, but it is much better, at least put away. And I can see the floor much better than it was. And I have a bunch of stuff going into storage and to donate. So this fell off. I have to get another command hook. Our things are starting to fall off. And I had moved her kitchen over here for just for a moment. And I never ended up finishing this shelf unit ever since it broke a couple of times. That's on far down on the to-do list. And I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the floor.
Little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
This has been an absolute nightmare since bringing it inside. It's just not thriving inside. It's gonna survive, I know it is, but it's not thriving, and I think it's just lack of humidity, even though I spritz it a couple of times a day. And then we knock into it, and this is just the floor constantly. If you have any tips, and no, I don't have any room in my bathroom. I know lots of people put their ferns in their bathrooms for humidity, but there's no room.
Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, oh, oh. I've been good, but I can't last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. What's under the Christmas tree for you and me? Oh, little bad toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bad toys that cuddle.
No business having like 32 pairs of shoes on that one little dinky shoe rack from Amazon that was like 10 bucks so long ago. So that already feels so much better, and I love having my floors just dirt free and dust free. It accumulates extra in the winter with just like the air blowing and the fan and all that, and I have not been running my air purifier every single day at all. So we're just a dusty mess in here if I don't sweep daily. Feeling so much better about that. What happened here? Oh, that's tape. And I have my list for what I need to purchase, like specific batteries, specific ingredients for things that I want to make. And now I gotta tackle the kitchen. I just vacuumed the floors in the kitchen, and I'm gonna go ahead and I think I just need to load the dishwasher with whatever's in the sink here. Thirsty from, I feel like I'm power cleaning, which is awesome. But before the laundry, I am going to go ahead and tackle the ledge here.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho Christmas.